Hey guys, it's Jennifer from Low Carb with Jennifer, and today I'm going to show you the most amazing crustless quiche with bacon. I've got 8 slices of bacon that I cut into lardons, which is kind of like bacon strips. I use thick cut bacon, and we're going to get those nice and crispy in our hot skillet. And now we're going to remove those from the pan and set that aside. And now we've already beaten 10 eggs. Yes, that's right, 10 eggs. We want this to be nice and fluffy. And we're adding 1.5 cups of half and half. You could use heavy cream if you want. And we've got 2 cups of Monterey Jack cheese. And now we're adding in our crispy bacon and salt and pepper. We're going to stir that up really good. Get it all mixed together. And if you wanted to use Swiss cheese instead of Monterey Jack cheese, that's fine. That's how traditionally quiche is made. I've got a pie plate that I've sprayed really good with cooking spray, and now we're pouring in the quiche mixture. And we're going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes until the egg is set. And look at that. It's really a light and fluffy quiche. You're going to love it. Look at all of these low-carb recipes. You can find all of these on my blog, jenniferbands.com. And I would love it if you could follow my page on Facebook or subscribe to my page on YouTube.